Welcome back to Mini Yoga Adventure. Let's stretch, smile, and begin our fun yoga journey together. Let's start with Warrior One pose. Stand tall, stretch your arms up high, and feel your strength. Now open your arms wide for Warrior Two pose. Balance and breathe deeply. Now it's time for triangle pose. Reach down to your ankle and stretch your other arm toward the sky. Sit down with your legs straight. Reach forward and try to touch your toes. That's the forward bend pose. Now move onto your hands and knees for cat-cow stretch. Arch your back like a cat, and then look up like a happy cow. Now let's go into plank pose. Keep your body straight and strong like a board step. One leg forward and lift your arms to the sky. Stretch and smile in Crescent Moon pose. Now sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. This is Child's pose. Rest and breathe deeply. Now stand tall in mountain pose. Feet together, arms by your sides, and take a deep breath. Feel strong and calm and Finally, lie down, touch your feet together, and relax in butterfly pose. Breathe in and out. Great job, everyone. You finished today's mini yoga adventure. Stay calm, stay happy, and see you next time.